how to allow or don't allow SMS permissions on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. In here, tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and tap on more privacy settings. Now in here, tap on permission manager. And then we scroll down. Then tap on SMS. Next, there are two sections in here, allow and not allow. So select an app that you want to change and then choose whether you want to allow SMS access for this app. So allow or don't allow. And that's it. So allow Copilot to access SMS or don't allow Copilot to access SMS permission. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.